so we're gonna go ahead and load the scale of D flat major. Now this VST is called Strummed Acoustic, and it's really cool because I can send chords into the VST and it will strum different rhythms of that actual chord. So here's an A flat major chord, G flat, and B flat minor. This is my favorite progression that I found. This is Butch Vig drums, and it's cool because you can play loops, but you still have access to the individual sounds. So here's a simple drum loop. We'll use Electric Sunburst to play melody notes of that same chord progression. Let's drop it down an octave to leave room for the female vocals. Let's record that along with some other parts of the song. Okay, so we're back into Electric Sunburst now. We'll go ahead and use this distorted guitar for this breakdown. We'll add this 808. So I dropped her vocal sample into a sampler, and it's really cool because I can use the melody side of the TheoryBoard to play harmonies of her voice. So stacked, it sounds like this. We'll also sidechain this detuned vocal sample. I was just like you, no, I was just like you. So together it goes like this.